Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix incorrect badge notification in message app on iPhone 50, 50 Pro and 50 Pro Max. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1. Use Siri for read unread message. First, wake up your Siri by saying, "Hi Siri." Once it wakes up, say, "Read my unread messages." Now Siri will read your all message and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is select message and read all. For that, launch message app, tap 3 dot icon, then tap select messages. Now tap on read all. You can also check your unread messages. Tap filter, tap unread messages. If you have any unread messages, those will appear here and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is disable and enable badge notification in message app. Turn off badges, wait for few seconds and turn it back on. Then check that badge notification is going or not. If it does not, try out the following method. Under messages notification, tap on customize notifications, tap on repeat alerts, select never and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is update message app. Firstly, tap on App Store. You can see appears on screen. Tap on search, tap on message app, tap on search, open the message app, check the app update. If update are available, update your app and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is force restart your iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on general, scroll up, tap on shutdown. You can see appears on screen. Drag the slide to power off, slide to turn off your device, wait for few seconds and turn your device back on and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is update your iOS version. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix incorrect badge notification in message app on iPhone 50, 50 Pro and 50 Pro Max is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.